guys, I decided to build a PC. Don't mind what this is. I don't know what it is either. It just popped up. But this is the case I bought for it. I already have a CPU. My buddy's giving me the RAM, and he gave me that CPU he wasn't using that he already had from a previous upgrade. I'm going to put a 6600 XT in it. I have a Ryzen 5 5500 in it. Found this power supply that's working. Used same thing with this motherboard. Got 512 megabytes SSD, just enough to game. I've already got hard drives and our cooler, and we should be set.